We'll start on the AAST e-learning website, where we can log in using the button in the top right. This will bring us into the Moodle platform, where we have the option to access one of our courses. Once there, we may find deep links to particular ebooks here on the left, but we can also reach the Kortext bookshelf using this section here on the right. If you haven't already created a Kortext account, you'll be greeted by our typical login screen. But because I've already accessed mine, I'm instead loaded right into the book I clicked on. But before we look more at the tools within the e-reader, we'll instead navigate back to the Kortext bookshelf using this arrow in the top left corner. What will load as default is the library, our name for the Kortext bookshelf. Here you can see titles that have been provisioned to you by AAST, as well as tabs for collections and my files. Collections is your gateway to thousands of open educational resources, as well as the 1.9 million videos that can be accessed exclusively by Kortext Premium users. My Files, meanwhile, is an area where you can upload other documents to support your learning, such as journals and PowerPoints. As a premium user, you'll get 5 GB of cloud storage. Also accessible from here are workbooks, another Kortext Premium feature. This is where all your notes, both those that are self-produced and made by AI, will be housed for easy access. Groups is an area where you can collaborate with your peers and lecturers, sharing important information related to assignments or research. This bottom menu item takes you to an area which provides a clearly defined breakdown of what our Kortext Premium features are, with a separate tutorial video to understand their uses and benefits. Up in the top right corner you can access our Kortext ebook store, help, and your account settings. You'll also find some useful links here, such as the ability to change the default language and redeem an access code. Jumping back into the e-reader, the first feature we'll demo is how to jump to a different page or location. You can do this either with the scroll bar here, with the arrows on the far right, or by entering the desired location in the field here. Also along the bottom you'll find the opportunity to bookmark that page or location to return to later. Up on the right here, you'll find the AI-powered study tools that are available to you as Kortext Premium users, which we will demo in more detail later. Over here, you'll also find the options to customize the e-reader, to return to your library, or to make it full screen. Finally, on the left side of the e-reader, you'll find some essential tools, which we'll demo first. You have the option to search for specific keywords within the book at the top, and beneath that, you can view contents of the ebook where available. Moving down, you have the option to create a note that will attach to the entire page. Similarly, you have the option to make notes on certain parts of the text by highlighting it. In either case, you're met with a rich text editor that allows you to customize font size, underline, add bullet points, imagery, links, and more. Bookmarks can also be accessed from here, as well as exportable references for the full ebook. Within the parameters set by the publishers and copyright, you can also print certain sections of the book using the relevant icon here on the left also. There is finally an option to bring up the book's information, to access settings, and to view more details about what is included as part of the Kortext Premium package. These features are generally accessed through one of two methods. They can either be accessed using the widget in the top right we mentioned earlier, or by highlighting a specific section of text as shown. These AI tools include the ability to generate summaries or notes in an instant, as well as to create quizzes to test your own knowledge. This drop-down menu you see when highlighting text also grants you access to other features including highlighting notes as mentioned earlier, and exporting references. Within this menu is the ability to have text read aloud in your chosen voice and at a chosen speed, as well as to translate text into your chosen language. Finally, looking back at the customization options briefly highlighted earlier, you have the ability to change the book's typeface, including to open dyslexic, to edit the page width, layout, and tone, with the latter including a popular dark mode.